So magandang araw Kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin ang 4 na bagong pangalan po na naidagdag po sa pre-agency pool ngayon Kabola ng PBA. Itong pre-agency pool ng PBA, palalim lang po ng palalim Kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So mga news muna tayo. Junmar Fajardo likely to sit out early stage of SMB campaign. So after day 1 Kabola, the Commissioner's Cup magpapahinga muna because of some injuries itong si Junmar Fajardo Kabola, and of course he deserves that Kabola, diba? He again lifted them to another championship, pero yun lang, diba? Dapat talaga galingan din ng mga support po ni Junmar Fajardo Kabola, kasi nga they need to start strong din dito, knowing na mukhang magiging close ang magiging bakbakan dito kasi po nakauna na yung Blackwater Elite saka ito pong Terra Firma Jeep, which means kumbaga talagang magiging bakbakan to Kabola. And then, of course, we also need to talk about Chami Malonzo, who delivered an amazing performance, Kabola, sa first game po ng Ginebra, diba? After his issue, Kabola, diba? So, nakaka-surprise, nakakahanga din, Kabola, that he managed to provide a terrific performance in his first game pabalik, Kabola. It speaks a lot sa composure po ng isang Chami Malonzo. 32 points, 8 rebounds, 4 blocks, 3 dimes, 2 steals Kabola sa complete game. Kabola, pinaprove niya talaga kung gaano rin po siya kagaling. And again, di ba, paulit-ulit ko na sinabi dati in the past, Kabola, that I look at Chami Malonzo as a potential number 1 player po sa Liga, Kabola, because of the athleticism, the high jumping ability, and the skill level that he has, Kabola. Now, regarding lang dito, Kabola, I'm still not happy with the way he is handling things, Kabola. I do understand that he is currently having, of course, suffering because of what happened, Kabola. Pero overall, mararamdaman mo lang kasi na nagiging overprotective yung Ginebra and even the PBA with him, Kabola. They are really avoiding discussion about another angle of that accident, and that is nga po yung reality that what is he doing there, Kabola. It was still in the middle of their 2 games, Kabola, under Gilas banner, di ba? So, why, di ba? Parang napaka-unprofessional kasi yun yung paglabas niya, yung pag-iinom niya, Kabola. Pero, again, di ba, he deserves time to heal sa kanyang pagkabugbog, Kabola. Pero overall, the fans are actually also looking into discussing that angle, that area, Kabola, na ayaw pong, kumbaga, i-touch ng PBA ng Ginebra, di ba? So, what happened if Malonzo do it again, di ba? Will they just cover it up again, like this one? But overall, again, we want Chami Malonzo to overcome, to heal properly, and we want him to return to his 100%, Kabola. Now, some comments that is worth talking. Yung number 5 pick ng Blackwater sa ROS, na ata yun, boss. Recent trade kayo ng Batak. Originality anti-speak. I think, yeah, I double-check nga po yung transaction. And thank you sa ating Kabola ni si Picoy B. We will correct it in our next mock draft. So, abang-abangan mo yan, Kabola. Salamat again for that correction, Kabola. And then ito na yung mga bago pong pangalan sa ating pre-agency pool. So, we have Carl Brian Cruz, we have MJ Ayaay, Kabola, we have Mike Tolomia, and then of course Prince Caparal. And of course Prince Caparal is the most interesting name there because he's a modern big man. I think he can still do it. Carl Brian Cruz also. Etong si Carl Brian Cruz, proven 3N dito Almost all elite teams, he can fit that kasi is a 3&D, is a forward position pa. So, nakakagulat nung nakita nga natin na may social media post na nga na sa MPBL po siya maglaro kung bakit hindi po siya nabigyan ng chance po sa ibang PBA teams. Pero overall, for me, just proving talaga na PBA is badly in need of additional teams. I hope really na meron pong may dagdag po na team by next season. Kabakaban sa palagay mo, sino yung mga teams ang dapat magpaperma dito? Comment lang po sa baba.